This is my YouTube channel that has done over 1.5 million views and earned me over $10,000. The only problem with this channel is it's took me over 3 years to get to this point. So I decided to make a YouTube Shorts page to see if I could do this any faster, and I ended up getting over 11 million views on just one video. Which, can I just say, is absolutely insane, because only like 3 years ago there was no chance you could get even over 1 million views in the first month of doing your YouTube channel, never mind 11 off one video. So basically what I'm saying is it has never been easier to start a YouTube channel, and as you can see here, mid-tier channels, we're talking 10 to 100k subscribers, earn on average $1,000 to $10,000 a month. So you're earning more money than you have ever done before, and it's also easier to get subscribers than ever before. This is the perfect time to start a brand new YouTube channel. But first, we're gonna need a niche. You see, I was in a bit of a doom scroll last week and I ended up coming across this channel here. He literally just records challenge videos that are super easy to do, by the way, and he gets millions of views for doing this. This is long form content as well, so this guy could easily be generating thousands a month off making stupid Minecraft videos. I want to get paid for making Minecraft videos. That sounds like a good time. So fuck it, let's see if we can replicate this channel. We're literally just gonna be remaking this style of content that he's making. I'll add my own twist to it, and I'm giving myself 30 days to see if we can get this page monetized. Right, so this is the channel. Obviously he's got over 5 million subscribers, a very well established channel. Can hear some of you in the comments already, why on earth are you making a Minecraft channel? Well, my boys, I am simply following the views. Minecraft is the most popular game on YouTube with over 1.5 trillion views as of May 2024, which is just ridiculous. It's just silly, let's be honest. This basically means that this is already an established niche. It's already getting millions and millions and millions of views every single month, and there's a high demand for this content. You know, I've covered a lot of niches on my channel. We could try and reinvent the wheel. We could do something different. To me, long term, this just makes the most sense. You know, I like Minecraft. You know, I've had a fair few 2-week Minecraft phases in my past. So if you can't beat them, we might as well join them and make our own Minecraft channel to try and capitalize on some of these views. When you're starting a new YouTube channel, this is the type of research that you need to do. You need to see if it's a long-lasting niche. I don't want to make a new channel, let's say if I did a different game that's just going to die in 6 months time because people are bored of it, or if I make a history page but there's just not that high demand of viewership for a history page because there's just not that many people as interested in history as there is Minecraft. Sounds terrible to say it like that, but that is genuinely the facts. But one key thing is, I do want to say, if you are making your own new YouTube channel and you are thinking about doing a niche, you need to make sure you enjoy it. Now, there are tons of different niches out there that I could have picked instead of Minecraft, tons that are doing well on YouTube. You know, for example, fitness, travel, tech reviews, that's another big one. But to me, I don't have a genuine interest in any of those other topics as much as I do Minecraft. You know, part of me has always wanted to make a little Minecraft channel when I was a kid watching these. So, you know, this just fits well for me. These are the type of questions you need to ask yourself when you're creating your new YouTube channel. Now, to me, I'm looking at this guy's channel and I'm also thinking, can I recreate these videos? Can I do something similar? How many views are these videos getting? And as we can see, 1 million views, 600,000, 600,000, 600,000. This is clearly doing very well for him. And I'm thinking of these videos, you know, if you take damage, the chunk deletes. I can make that video. I know I can do that. So that's all I have to do. That's all I have to do. I can do that challenge quite easily, and that type of challenge has made this guy 700,000 views. So you need to ask yourself the same question on the niche that you're planning on making videos on. Can you recreate those videos? Can you match their editing style? Can you do as good a job as them? Because if you can, then there's a high chance that you could also break into that niche as well. So this is essentially what I want to do. We just need to create our page now. So to create my logo, all I've done is take a screenshot of my skin in game like this. Then all I had to do was throw it over to OpenArt, which is like an AI platform software. And I'm showing you this just to show you how easy it is now to get started. Like, you don't need to be a graphics designer. You don't need to be really techie with like thumbnails and Photoshop and stuff. And then select Nano Banana 2 from the top. And then all I have to do is say, make me a YouTube banner image where the shark is swimming underwater in Minecraft. I need to make sure my output is 21:9 for this because it is a YouTube banner. Then all I have to do is click create, and it's just crafted me something that looks like that. Shark Boy. Obviously we need to tell it to call us Broden Blocks, but how simple was that? It took me 2 seconds to generate, and this is a working banner I can use for my page. There's literally no excuse why you can't have cool looking art on your YouTube channel now. It took me 2 seconds for this. Anyway, so I did that for my logo and for my banner, and it ended up looking something like this. You know, Broden Blocks, subscribe, and I also just asked for it to make me a logo as well. Super simple stuff. If you want a link for that website, I'll leave it down in the description. But now we need to get onto the fun stuff, which is creating the videos. The first video I'm going to recreate is the most popular video on his channel, which has over 2.1 million views. Minecraft, but chunks are random. Now the reason I'm doing his most popular is because obviously this is the one with the most audience potential. This is the one that clearly people are clicking, even on his channel. It makes sense for me to do this first. Now I'm not going to bore you with actually, filming the Minecraft stuff. All I'm doing for this is recording my gameplay, editing it together, adding a few sound effects, and I'm making my content look probably similar to this guy's. Like, I'm not doing all crazy for this. We're basically just copying this video. Like, we're just copying it, but we're doing it ourselves. That's all this challenge is. And that's why it's super simple, and that's why if this works, and we start getting money from this, it'll blow my mind. All right, boys, it is now January the 20th. As you can see by this dashboard, things have definitely moved along. Now, I wanted to make this little quick update video because I didn't want to just, skip to the end, but we are 2 weeks into this challenge now. We uploaded our first video on January the 7th, and I guess that's like a great place to start. Now, this video was literally just copying off Whisper's video, like I mentioned before. Genuinely, I didn't add anything new. I didn't try anything extra. I just did the same challenge video he did, but just recorded me playing, and we've already got 2,000 views on this video. This is my first video on this channel. You don't just normally get 2,000 views on this channel, and I think this shows we've clearly done good research on this niche, because obviously there's an audience for it. People are straight away interested. For our first video, we've got 2,000 views, 500 hours of watch time. Keep in mind, you need 4,000 hours of watch time to get monetized. So we were already like a bit of the way there off one video, which is silly. And we also gained 40 subscribers off one video, off the first one we published. Normally, when you upload your first video on YouTube, you get like 10 views. And this has only been 2 weeks. Now, again, some cool information that you might be interested in. You can see that the actual engagement rate is super high, which again is a credit to this Minecraft niche. I don't know why I didn't become a Minecraft YouTuber earlier. Look at this. So for the first 30 seconds of my video, 80% of the people that clicked it are still watching. That is insane. For the Nadob channel, it's like 40% at that point. So to have 80% at 30 seconds is stupidly high. We're talking Mr. Beast levels of high. And I think it's just because it's Minecraft. Honestly, these kids love it. Now, as you can see, it doesn't dip below 50 until like 40 minutes in. Over 50% of the people that clicked on this video watched the entire thing. That is mind-blowing. A 25-minute video, and 50% of the people that clicked it out of 2,000 have watched the entire thing. I think we've struck gold with this niche. I don't know why people try and complicate it. I've literally just copied off another YouTuber because I saw he's doing well. I saw he's in a good niche, and it's the first video's performed. As you can see, it's done over 40,000 impressions. The click-through rate is atrocious, though. That's the only bad thing about this. So I'm thinking maybe we need to revise the thumbnail a little bit, but that's not too big of a concern. And then obviously you can see the engagement rate and average view duration of 40 minutes. So if this was actually monetized and we've got people watching for an average of 40 minutes, this would have actually earned a little bit of money, like not crazy amounts, but like a tiny amount. Anyways, I didn't just stop there. Obviously, I uploaded another 3 videos in this 2-week span. So I've uploaded 4 videos in 2 weeks. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. I've tried to take this challenge somewhat seriously. So I made a video beating Minecraft, but every drop is random. Now this one, you're not going to believe what happened here. The video has done over 8,000 views. This is my second video on the channel. For God's sake, what is going on? So the video's done over 8,000 views. We've done over 1.4 hours of watch time and over 80 subscribers. So including my first video and this video, that's over 2,000 hours of watch time, which is half of what you need to get monetized. So if we just did 2 more of these, we'd get monetized. That is silly. That is genuinely silly. I could actually reach my goal of making a monetized YouTube channel in under 30 days off 4 videos. We also got over 81 subscribers. As you can see, the average view duration is a little bit less. People clicked off this one a bit more. And now the reason why I'm not, too bothered about this is because the video itself was a little bit longer, and also an extra 6,000 people watched this video. The larger the sample size, obviously the more people that can click off. But I just thought that was interesting. I threw it in. Again, 140,000 impressions. Silly for a brand new channel. YouTube is clearly loving our channel already for a brand new channel as well. It's silly. Like, normally this doesn't happen, but it just goes to show we've done our research, we've picked a good niche, and we're making decent videos, so people are watching them. Again, average view duration is around 10 minutes on this one. Now, everything is not all sunshine and rainbows. I did make a mistake, I'll be honest. I got a bit silly. I made this video here, which is I added every horror mod, and this video has completely bombed. We've got 200 views, 60 hours of watch time, average view duration is good, average view percentage good, but I think the big problem here, and looking back at it, I don't know why I didn't see it. This video is over 59 minutes long, whereas the other videos I was making were like 20 to 25. So that is what I'm taking away from this, and obviously we're only going to learn these stuff, like what people actually like, what people clicking and enjoying by trial and error. I'm not just going to see this and think, oh, I'm shadow banned, YouTube's got me now, like, oh no, what am I going to do? I need to look into the facts here, and that's generally what I've took away from this. The video is too long, people don't like watching too long of a video, which is a bit annoying because obviously I put in a lot of work on this one because it was longer, but you know, it's just the way the game works. We're sadly not going to get monetized off our third video, which, you know, honestly, I was on cloud 9 on those past two. Anyway, so these are the overall stats for 2 weeks. I think we've done a pretty good job. I think we've done a pretty good job. Like I said before, I'm just going to go in with these 20-minute videos now. I'm going to keep on grinding, keep it on, you know, just looking at channels like Wisp, see what challenges they're doing, see what are performing the best. All I'm doing, guys, I swear to God, is I'm clicking on channels like him. Like, I'm not just copying him, I'm copying other guys as well. Like this guy, I'm seeing what is working with him. So like Minecraft but mobs randomly become boss fights, and then I'm just copying that video and I'm just doing it myself. That's all this game is. Like, you don't have to overcomplicate it. I see so many people overcomplicate it, but we're living proof right now that it's working for us. All right, boys, the 30 days are up. This is where our channel is standing. Honestly, quite good. I'd say it's decent. We'll take it. It's not monetized. I know I really wanted to push for that monetization. Sadly, we didn't quite hit it. I mean, we did over 3,000 hours of watch time. You need 4,000 hours to get monetized. I think the thing that's actually letting us down here is the subscribers, and I will talk about that in a second, my plan. But, you know, 225 subscribers for the first month is quite good. You know, January 7th here to February the 7th, you can see that we've done all right. We've tapered off a little bit, but you can see I've implemented a new strategy here, which is shorts. Don't know why I wasn't uploading shorts before. Basically, shorts are a super good way to get subscribers. So what I've been doing is I've just been cutting the first 1 minute off my videos and then turning it into a short to try and pump more attention to my videos and also get more subscribers. Now, if you are curious on what these videos are looking like and the timeline, this is all they look like. Super simple stuff. So I've got obviously the Minecraft gameplay here, and I've got music down here. And that's it. I make like a bit of a, you know, a fast-paced intro. This is why I wanted to do this challenge, because I saw what these, you know, top YouTubers were doing. And I thought, hang on, that is so simple. But yeah, 21,000 views, 3,000 hours of watch time, 225 subscribers for 30 days on a brand new YouTube channel, following my niche strategy. I think that's pretty decent. I think we'll take that. You know, this isn't even like a shorts page either. If this was just shorts, obviously we'd be expecting way more views. But because this is long form, and the reason we are doing long form is because, you know, it's better for monetization on the later stages. Shorts is good for fast-paced growth, fast-paced views, but when you want to get sponsorships, when you're going to get affiliates, once you actually want to earn some decent money off AdSense, long form content is kind of the way to go. Anyways, as you can see, these are some of the videos. My top video did over 10,000 views. Then it was the chunk video, 4,000 views. We got another 2,000, a 1,000, and we got a few stinkers. We got like an 800, a 600, and 400 was the worst. But again, for a brand new channel, those stinkers don't even mean they're always going to be stinkers. The great thing about YouTube is that in a couple months, those videos could start going out to people again, because they're actually decent videos. So with all that being said, I'm very confident in this page. I'm excited to start a brand new challenge on the Nadob channel for this year. You know, I'm literally showing you everything here. I've give you the niche, I've give you my strategy and how I found it and everything. So technically you could copy off me and do this as well if you wanted to, but I'm kind of just showing you the philosophy of it all, the how I'm thinking about starting a brand, in a sense, like a brand new YouTube channel, and how I go about it, to hopefully give you some inspiration, and so you can start your own brand new YouTube channel as well. Because, you know, it's the start of 2026. I can't think of a better time to start one of these challenges. I'm definitely going to do an update video to this. I think I'm going to do it every 30 days, either every 30, every 40, something daft, when something big happens. And obviously you can look at the channel if you want to. If you want any direct help from me, remember I've got a Discord down in the description. All the people that are trying to grow their own YouTube, their own TikToks, their own Instagrams. So if that sounds any of interest to you, I'll leave a link down below. But yeah, guys, this is going to be a fun one. I'll see you all in the next one.